Hi everyone, it's Christine here. I'm up at the compound today. I'm up here to do a little job that Colin's been wanting me to do for a few weeks now. We're planning on updating the kitchen area in our Bailey Valencia. Colin went out and bought some tiles. So these subway style tiles, sticky back plastic, should be reasonably easy to fit. So stick around and I'm going to try and talk us through it. So I've got some simple tools, just a pair of scissors, a sharp knife, a pen, a screwdriver, because we're going to need to take the old blind down, and a straight edge. The line of the Valencia is held up by 4 screws, one in each corner. So I'm going to just use the cross-headed screwdriver, remove those 4 screws, take the blind down. So that's got the blind down. Keep the 4 screws safe because you're going to need them to put the blind back up behind you, so don't lose it. I'm just going to do a quick clean up now and I'll show you what we've got. The tiles come in packs of 5. We've bought 2 packs. That should be more than enough to cover this small area with such a big hole for the window in the middle of it. I'm going to turn you around so that you can see what we're dealing with. So this is the window area. I'm going to start in the corner behind the cooker with a row of tiles like this. I can get them the right way up. Row of tiles like this. Progress along the bottom and move up on both sides. The tiles have got a serrated edge to match the tile bonding. I'm going to use my straight edge, snip off that first little bit so that the tiles butt up against the wall. So I'm just going to use my straight edge along this edge of the tiles. Try to make that as even as possible. I'm cutting the tiles on the plastic cutting board because I don't really want to mess up this lovely little IKEA chopping board. Right, let's have a look, see what we've got. So that's come off easy enough. So now I've got a nice straight edge that I'm going to butt up against that side there. Right, so that one's going to fit like that. As you can see, the tile overlaps the window opening. The window blind overlaps the window opening by a considerable amount. So I've worked out that if I keep the cuts within 10mm of the window seal, we're going to be fine. So these tiles they're quite soft and they will mark easy. So I'm going to try and mark this curve with my thumbnail. Just like that. I don't know if you can see it. I can see the mark that I need to cut round, and I'm going to cut that with a pair of scissors. So just need to be on the outside of that line. Tiles fit quite easily. There we go. Just have a trial fit. There we go. That fits lovely. I know it's not the best of cuts, but it fits great. We just need to be clear of the window seal. There we go. That'll do nicely. Before I stick the tile down, I've got my little tape measure. I'm just going to measure where these holes are, that's 132 by 160, so that when I've stuck the tile on, I know where the screw hole is. I'll just poke a hole through. There we go, that's the first piece on, stuck down. It's very secure. The glue grabs really quickly. It's very secure. So what I'm going to do now is move along this bottom row. I'll show you what that looks like when it's finished. So there we have it. I think it took me about 1 hour and 3/4, maybe 2 hours to do the whole job, and I'm really pleased with it. I think Courtney's going to be delighted with it. She doesn't know I've done it, so I think she's going to be over the moon. She's not going to see it until we come to collect the caravan next week, because we're going away. We're going up to York for a couple of nights, then we're going across to the Dales, to Hawes for a couple of nights, and then we're coming back to Wensleydale, to the Lower Wensleydale Caravan and Motoring Club for 3 nights. So we've got 7 nights in the Dales, and look forward to sharing that video with you in a week or so's time. Anyway, if you like what you've seen, give us a little thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. So this is Christine signing out, saying bye. Bye.